farmers market today. We're doing cooking demonstration number 7, I believe it is. Come on up, ma'am, if you'd like to try some. Let me tell you what we have today. We have, this is Miss Bonnie Howell. Miss Bonnie Howell is with Petals and Treats. She's one of our vendors here. And she comes over and samples some of the stuff I make. And she says she likes most of it. So today, Miss Bonnie, what we have is we made hummus today. So hummus we made from chickpeas. I took dried chickpeas that I got from the store, cooked them down, put them in water, all right? And then just add them to the food processor and added some olive oil and some lemon juice. Normally you would add tahini, and tahini is basically pure ground sesame seed, and it's in a paste form. Adds a lot of flavor to the hummus. But I didn't do that because we have so many different people here that come through the market, so we wanted to do something that was a little bit simpler. So I'm going to let you try some.
So many fun things that you can do with hummus. Fried red roasted peppers.
Yes, red peppers.
Pepper.
Okay, that's what we did. We added cayenne to this one, just dried pepper. So would you like to try both of these?
Yes, please.
Okay. This is a little bit, you see the texture is a little different, so it depends on what you like. So we have pita chips. They're served with pita chips. You can also serve them with bread. We have some olive bread here. You can put olive bread, so whatever you want, ma'am.
Like you boiled them?
Yes,
Is that what
yes.
you do?
I
So you
bought
get fresh chickpeas. Where do you get
no,
fresh
not fresh,
No.
dried in the pack. Okay.
Oh, you get dried in the
dried
pack.
chickpeas. They're only about maybe $1.20 for a 16-ounce bag of dried chickpeas.
How long do you cook them for?
Well, you know what? They say the best way to cook these would be to put them in the slow cooker and just let them cook until they're tender. And I wouldn't say it's a time. When you take that chickpea and it's soft and you mash it easily and it's
So you
creamy.
cover it with water and put it in the
cover
crock
it with
pot?
water, put it in a crock pot. I did mine actually in a pressure cooker because I was kind of in a hurry, so I put them in a pressure cooker. So crock pot, pressure cooker, on top of the stove, it really doesn't matter.
And then
Yes.
Yeah, I buy the can.
You can buy it canned. So it's up to you. You know how you want to do it. I wanted to do them, from scratch. So
how did you mash them up by hand?
No, I didn't mash them up by hand. I put them in the food processor. So I took the chickpeas, put them in the food processor. Then I added olive oil.
How much?
You know what? It's up to you. I
couldn't even concentrate. I was trying to buy some onions. This lady's asking me questions. I said, I have to go get another chip so I can finish this. Sorry. Can I try the hot one?
Sure.
Oh, it's great.
Oh my gosh.
Can I try a little bit? Sure. This one was empty? Okay, this is,
I'm a good cook, but I've never tried this before.
So some people like it with bread. You can just dip it in the bread. Did you see hers there? Did you get that one too? She's eating hers with bread.
Ooh, it is good with fresh tortillas.
I'm a teacher of tortillas.
You can do it with fresh tortillas, or you can make a taco. So
Yeah,
wonderful.
you can do it with it's a lot of different things. We use, look, tortilla rounds, so you can eat this with anything. It's just up to you. Some people even use it, they use celery sticks. Just dip it in there. You can use it because it's healthy.
Did you put lemon juice in there?
Yes, lemon. I use fresh lemon. So
lemon and olive oil is all.
lemon. Oh, you know what else? I'm sorry. I forgot to say I put in the garlic. Garlic
Powder?
is in there. No, fresh garlic. I try to do everything fresh. So if you want to make it, do everything from scratch. So it's a fresh
I'm
garlic.
Italian. I've got no problem with garlic.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I like garlic. I like it.
Well, thank you so much. I seriously, you just
and you can make your own pita chips too, because these are a little pricey sometimes.
I don't buy them because they're too expensive.
Yeah. Those were 2 for $5, so they're on sale at our local store down the street. It starts with a K, which I won't endorse, but.
But when you want to make your own, you buy pita bread and bake it.
Yeah, just buy the pita bread and bake it. Basically, salt and pepper on there. Have whatever you want to put on there. Put it in the oven.
No oil or anything.
Olive oil, yes. Fresh olive oil on there. Some people even fry it if you want to.
Teach me. I can't.
But this is so easy, and you can also make this hummus with northern beans. And I've even heard that down here in the South, we're gonna try with some black-eyed peas. So that'll be my next one, is black-eyed peas. Okay? So
great.
go, make it. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Really, I'm gonna do that.